Today we're going to be doing something a little different. We're going to be showing you how Charlotte gets her hair washed and deep conditioned. We're going to start out by doing a hot oil treatment in her hair, and for that I use this oil here, Darshana. It moisturizes, conditions, and smooths. I love this oil. It actually makes our hair smell like oranges. And then also I mixed it with some of our regular Jamaican black castor oil by the brand Jamaican Mango and Lime. A lot of people have asked on Instagram, on my Instagram over the years, what do I use in her hair to promote hair growth, and this would be the oil that I use the most. I use it to seal her ends, to moisturize and massage her scalp, and I use it several times a week. I've got these two mixed inside this cup. I just took some hot water and got it pretty hot, a cup of hot water in the microwave, and then I mixed the two oils I just showed you in this old little squeeze bottle I have, and I just dumped it in, and it's nice and warm now and ready to start. So of course we're going to start by just taking all the little braids out that she has in right now before we begin our hot oil treatment. And also I have on these gloves. I learned this from Mo Knows Hair, and you can find her on Instagram and YouTube, Mo Knows Hair. She mentioned, especially I've noticed when working with Charlotte's hair, she has, you can't really tell now because her curls aren't too defined, but she has curly spiral curls, and it helps when I have these gloves on that I can just slip in and out without my nails or anything getting caught and breaking off our curls. It just helps reduce breakage, and it just makes things flow a little bit smoother. So now that we've got all that out, we're going to begin the hot oil treatment. Okay, so we've got her hair in 4 sections. It's hard to tell, but 4 kind of messy sections, and I'm just going to start hot oil treating from the scalp, working my way with my fingers all the way through to the ends with the hot oil. And this is going to help get some moisture back into her hair and actually prepare it to be washed. So I'll show you this first section. And I'm just really saturating. I'm just getting all the way from her roots all the way through to the middle, all the way to the ends. And this could get a little messy. I've got her clothes wrapped, her shoulders wrapped up, old shirt of hers, but really she just wears play clothes and clothes that aren't to, you know, not school clothes or anything like that when we're doing this, because it could get a little messy. And I'm just going to continue through and do this through all 4 sections, working it through with my hands. I want to show you how I really get in there. So this is part of the detangling process. The more you detangle this right now, the less tangles, tears from your child, the less time it will take when you actually go to wash it. You'll have, you know, there won't be as many tangles. And as you can see, I really saturate it, but you don't have to worry, because like we're getting ready to wash this out. So just going through, and I'm separating each strand from each other, from around each other. Okay, we finished putting the hot oil all over, and I just put 4 little loose Bantu knots, and then we're gonna cover it with a cap to capture some of that heat. For even more heat, I'm gonna wrap that in a warm towel that I just got out the dryer. And you don't have to do this every time you wash their hair, but I find for her hair it's important to do a hot oil treatment every once in a while to really protect her ends and to promote hair growth. Okay guys, we're getting ready to wash this out now, and we're gonna be using, today we're gonna be using the Curls brand Pineapple collection. I'm just gonna wash it to the root. I'm I'm not going to bring it all the way down. I'm going to thoroughly clean the root of her hair, and then I'm going to use the water to rinse, clean the rest of her hair. Okay, so now I have washed the top of her hair, and I've let the water run out to the bottom, and I'm washing it one more time, and then I'm going to rinse that out, and then we'll do the deep conditioner. As you can see, her hair is so long. I normally do her hair in the sink, but it's gotten so long that she's wearing a bathing suit, that I have to do it in the bathtub, and even then it touches the bottom. So I have stopped using bath water as well, because her hair would be basically sitting in the dirty bath water. So we're going to rinse this out now and then get started with the deep conditioner. We're going to put the curl mask in now. It's so thick. And I use all kinds of products on her hair. We use Pattern Beauty. We use a lot of different products, but this is just what I have right now, and the Curls brand works pretty good in her hair, so we're just going to go with that. Let me see where you guys at, where I can show you. So it takes a lot of conditioner for even one section of her hair. And I start at the ends with the conditioner. I don't typically condition her roots. So we're gonna put this back into 4 sections again. And we're just gonna condition the ends and work our way up. Hopefully I'm not blocking the camera. Starting at the ends with the mask, and I'm just working my way up. And I'm going to do the same thing I did with hot oil treatment. I'm going to put the mask in each 4 sections, work my way up, kind of avoid the root. After I finish with each section, we're going to band it up, put them in 4 bantu knots again. We're going to wrap it up for just a couple minutes. Not long, because I don't want her to be too cold. We're just going to twist up each section. See, her hair is so long. It hurts my back. Can't get in a good position to, I don't know if you can see that, but I'm still twisting. And then I'm just gonna wrap it up and let that penetrate her scalp. And we're gonna cover that section up so the heat can't escape. Just literally prop that up. And then we're gonna work on the next section. And we're gonna do all 4 sections, and I'll be back. Okay, we've got the deep conditioner in. It's in the 4 sections. 4 sections, 4 little bantu knots, and we're gonna just let it, and I'm gonna put this on, because with her, the more heat you can trap, the better, and the more less tangles you have. Okay, we're just gonna let that sit a couple minutes. I'm gonna clean up a little bit, and then we will rinse this out. Okay, now we're just gonna get ready to rinse this deep conditioner out. When I rinse hers out, I typically don't rinse every bit of it out, because I just like to leave a little bit that will help keep some moisture in her hair. Charlotte, her hair is very dry, so it's good to be able to keep a little bit of that moisture from the deep conditioner in. Okay, here are some of the products we're going to be using after washing her hair. We're going to use some of the We're gonna use the Cream of Nature for her after wash products, because just again, that's something that I have and it's all natural. I try to stay away from sulfates, parabens, and silicones in her hair, and I also don't use heat. I'm gonna blow dry her hair a little bit today to get some of the moisture out because it's kind of cool out, but I'm going to use it on cool, the cool shot on the blow dryer. I'm not going to use actual heat, definitely not high heat. So I'm going to start out with a little bit of the Not Away Leave-In Detangler by Cream of Nature, the Pure Honey brand. Now I'm not sure if I'm going to use both of these or just one. I have Shrinkage Defense Curl Activator and then also the Twisting Cream Moisture Whip. I'm not sure if I may use both. It just depends. Like I said, her hair is super dry, so the more moisture she can get, the better. And then it's got just a little shine, silicone-free lightweight shine mist, just to add a little shine and moisture in. And right here, I'm just adding the leave-in conditioner in, starting at the ends of her hair and working my way up, saturating it. Because we did all that detangling earlier, there shouldn't be too many knots or tangles, just a few residual ones. That's why we went through that whole process earlier of the hot oil treatment. And I like a lot of leave-in. I put a lot of leave-in product in her hair, but I also, once I get it distributed, take the little terry cloth towel and I go and I get some of it back out. So that's just my little process. I know everyone has their different way of doing things. This is just how we do it. Just put these little clips on it to kind of weight it down, and I'm gonna now blow dry on cool air to get some of this moisture out. I'm just running it around. Obviously I can't comb. I'm not gonna use a comb and comb through and straighten her hair. I'm just using cool air to dry it so it will dry a little quicker. Okay guys, we're just finishing up. Her hair is probably about 90-95% dry. So we just sprayed it with some of this silicone-free lightweight shine mist, and I'll show you our final results. She's up. You want to turn around?
So when my mom was like, when she was like, at the first part you probably saw her when she was oiling my hair. I was doing, these are the dolls that I got for Christmas. They come with accessories, and there's a poster up there, and I'll show you. Bye guys, thank you for watching my videos. So thank you for watching guys. I'll see you on next time. Bye. Bye.